In a vibrant kitchen, laughter danced in the air. An adventurous boy with wild hair peered into a cupboard, eyes gleaming with curiosity. Today, he was on a quest for the ultimate recipe. An imaginative girl balanced on tiptoes, her vibrant pigtails bouncing. She grasped for a jar of sprinkles, dreaming about a sprinkle of magic in their snack. Suddenly, chaos erupted. A bowl tipped, sending flowers soaring like fluffy clouds. Sprinkles burst forth, showering the floor in a sugary rain. They stood frozen in disbelief. Where had their masterpiece gone? The gooey chaos sprawled around them, a disaster of friendly intentions. Just then, a sensible friend entered. Round glasses gleamed in the light. "Let's turn this mess into something magical," he suggested, eyes twinkling with ideas. With renewed purpose, they rallied together. A sprinkle of teamwork joined their efforts. Spoon in hand, they stirred their hopes together. Bright colors blended in the pot, swirling with joy. Each stir released delightful scents. Kindness bubbled up, filling the room with warmth. Tentatively, they dipped spoons into their creation. Tasting, they gasped in delight. Every flavor echoed laughter and trust, a truly wondrous snack. They set their masterpiece on a colorful table. Friends arrived, eyes bright and mouths watering. Excitement filled the air as they gathered around. "Hooray for the friendship snack," cheered the group. Smiles stretched wide, laughter echoed. They celebrated the mess turned magic. Between bites, a shared glance spoke volumes. They understood now. The best recipes are created with love and friendship. As the kitchen glimmered with memories, their hearts brimmed with warmth. From mess to magic, true friendship was the sweetest ingredient.